Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add date to Google Sheets. So I'll show you how you can also increment, add days, months, or years to a date, and also how you can use the date value function. So for starters, I'm going to enter in today's date. And to do that, all you need to do is select a cell and use the shortcut key of Control semicolon. And by doing that, that enters today's date. Easy enough. Now if you want to add a day to this, you can hit plus or just equals and add +1 to this. And that'll push it to the following day. If you want to add a week, you can just add +7, right? It puts you to the next week. But if you're trying to add months or years, that can be a bit tricky because obviously the number of days in a month will vary. And so you don't always want to just add multiples of 30. Instead, what you can do is use the date function. And just like with Excel, Google Sheets has a year, month, and day function. So the year function will tell you the year value of this. The month function will tell you the month value. And then the day function will return the day. So right now it's going to return the exact same date just because I haven't changed anything. But if I wanted to jump ahead, let's say 14 months. I want to go all the way into 2024. Excel or Google Sheets is automatically going to update this for me to update both the year and the month. So I don't have to do two separate changes there. Just by putting in the +14 for the months, it knows exactly what the date will be for both the month and the year. If I just want to add to the year, I can add +5 here, and that's going to put me into 2027, same month, same day. So that's an easy way to add to your dates if you want to jump ahead by either months or years. And another thing I'm going to show you is the date value function. The date value function can be useful, if you don't want to worry about regional settings or whether it should be month, day, year, or day, month, year, because Google Sheets will automatically do that for you. So for instance, if I type in December 31, 2022, it's going to convert that into a value. Now this value isn't terribly helpful for me right now, but I can convert that by selecting more formats and selecting the date. And so now it shows me that proper format. And the good thing about this is fairly flexible. I don't have to enter it in a certain way. For instance, if I get rid of the comma, Google Sheets is still correctly figuring out the date that I'm entering in. If I spell it the first with a full month, again, it'll work fine. So as long as you don't do anything weird, like put a comma around spaces, then you should be fine. The date value function is pretty flexible in being able to understand for the most part what date you're looking for and automatically convert it based on your settings or regional settings that Google Sheets is detecting. So that's an overview of how to add dates in Google Sheets, and hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.